Hello everyone. Hope you are having a good time with kiddos. Yes, today I am back with another interesting activity. Today I am going to start with letter formation on the basis of that pre-writing skill set 1. Before that, a small request. Subscribe our channel only if you like our work, and if you do that, then please click on the bell icon to get future notifications. Now I would like to share material for today's activity. We will be needing bindis, colored A4 sheets, crayon colors, color pencils, and one test board. Okay, let's start with letter L in uppercase. जो हमने प्री राइटिंग स्किल लेवल 1 किया था, अगर उसका रिस्पॉन्स शीट 1A और शीट 1B का दोनों का सेटिस्फैक्ट्री रिस्पॉन्स आया है बच्चों का, तो आज हम मूव करेंगे लेटर फॉर्मेशन L पे. आइए उसकी बात करते हैं. यहाँ पे पहले मैं आपको ये शीट 1 दिखाना चाहूँगी, जिसमें एल शेप के अकॉर्डिंग हमने ये बिंदी प्लेस की है और एक शीट पे हमने 2 एल की तैयारी की है. नाउ फर्स्ट शीट वी विल बी डूइंग यूजिंग crayon color. Give this sheet to your little one and ask to join bindis. Now, after this, you can give next sheet, or you can repeat this one more time. This is completely individual's choice. So after getting satisfactory response, you can move to next level, that is removing bindi. Now here you will ask your child to remove bindi while joining the bindi like this. Child can remove like this, or child can remove this bindi also and can do like this. So different response we get from different children. जब हम कोई बिंदी या जैसे कि हमने अपने प्री राइटिंग स्किल लेवल 1 में आटा और हल्दी यूज़ किया था, तो ये मटेरियल बच्चों को अट्रैक्ट करता है. सो एवरी टाइम स्टार्ट विद दिस काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. तो अगर आप प्री राइटिंग स्किल लेवल 1 को रेफ़र करना चाहते हैं तो उसका आई टैग ऊपर दिया गया है, आप उसको रेफ़र कर सकते हैं while doing this activity. After using crayons, the next step is making use of color pencils. Okay, now why we have chosen letter L? Because it has sleeping and standing line only. No slant line is there, and the formation, जो ये connectivity है कि standing then sleeping, standing then sleeping, this makes the L the easiest letter. Yes, L is the easiest letter to start with. And the second reason why we have chosen letter L, because L for learn or play. Okay, jokes apart, the formation is easy and it is very easy to introduce, and we should always start with the easiest letter. Okay, now the use of color pencil, as you can see, we have given instructions regarding the color. or we can give verbal instructions also. Probably we will get this response from our kids. Then the next color is purple. Next color, red. So number of dots are same in the entire sheet. Now after seeing this, if the response is satisfactory, then we will move on to next sheet, and our next sheet will be like this. Here also in the 4 columns the sheet is same. Child can take any pencil color to join the dots L and make child speak up the letter every time while forming the letter L, like this, L, L. Now next is response. After getting into flow of joining 3 dots, probably we will get this response L, L. रिस्पॉन्स शीट आप एक सेपरेट शीट भी बना सकते हैं. यहाँ पे अगर आपको 2 कॉलम्स में सेटिस्फैक्ट्री रिस्पॉन्स मिल जाता है, वेल एंड गुड. अदरवाइज यू कैन फ्रेम वन मोर शीट टू get the final response. So after completing letter L formation and sound of letter L, our task is left to introduce the items, the things which start with L. Leaves, L for leaves, L for lemon, L for lunchbox. So make your little one see these objects and observe them, and for their memory, at least for 1 week, you can keep this card along with these objects in their play area. So please keep the card there for a week. Let them see these objects along with the card. Let them observe. So we will meet again with another letter. Please stay tuned and please subscribe. Thank you.